Hey there, this is Aarti from Diva Beauty AE, and today we are going to make a very easy recipe with this King's dehydrated food, and this one is red onion flakes. Can you guess what the recipe would be? Let me show you the ingredients first. Peas and carrots. Here we have some cauliflower, salt, garlic, capsicum, potato, chilies, ginger and tomato. If you haven't guessed it till now, it is Mumbai special पाव भाजी. अभी तक अगर आपने नहीं गेस किया, ये मुंबई की स्पेशल पाव भाजी है और हम किंग डिहाइड्रेट फूड रेड अनियन फ्लेक्स से यानी कि सूखा हुआ अनियन के फ्लेक्स से बनाने वाले हैं. First we are going to boil all these vegetables. पहले ये हम सब सब्जियां उबालने वाले हैं. Pour in oil according to your preference. But in pav bhaji generally you require a little more oil. The oil is a bit heated up, and now we add in a mixture of ginger, chilies and garlic. And at the same time we will be adding King dehydrated foods red onion flakes. I'll be putting 2 spoons of this. Cook till the onion turns to a little golden brown color. It's already happening in the sides. Let's stir well so that it's evenly cooked. So the onion has turned golden brown, and now we have added chopped capsicum. To this cooked mixture, I will now add chopped tomatoes and cook it till it's a bit soft. The tomatoes have now become soft, and we are adding turmeric powder. Again, it's upon your choice how much you want to add. I like it a little yellow and more colorful, and we also add 1 spoon of red chili powder. Let's mix it and cook for some time. Now to this we add the boiled vegetable mixture, and then we'll be mashing this up. Now I will add salt. You can add salt according to your taste, and we'll be adding Pav Bhaji masala. I'm using Pav Bhaji masala, but you can use the masala of your choice, the spice of your choice. For the bhaji to reach this color, you need to add lots of Pav Bhaji masala and let it cook for some time. And now we see the shine over here. It's perfectly done and ready to be served. This is a little of vegetables are seen in this, but if you want, you can mash it furthermore. If you don't have a masher, you can mash the vegetables, the boiled vegetables by hand and then put in the mixture. So now this pav bhaji is ready to be served. You can add butter on top of the bhaji if you like it, or you can totally avoid it, and garnish with coriander leaves. So here's the final look.